Yo, what's up, gang? It's your boy Juba, man. You know what I'm saying? Guys, finally, guys, we're hitting that trade, guys. As you can see, guys, we're hitting that trade so crazy, guys. As you can see here, you know what I'm saying? Very small size, but we in a profit of 151, you know what I'm saying? And a very small, guys, you know what I'm saying? So, yes, sir. Trust the process, man. Trust the process, you know what I'm saying? So, guys, as you can see, guys, this is how I find the trade, right? This is how I find the trade. Let me show you how I find this trade. And I think it's going to be the time I'm gonna lock my profit, because if you look at the chart, the way the market moves, the market is moving in a high low, high low. Let me show you. High low, high low, high low, high low, which means the market is gonna give us another high low somewhere here, but the market is still gonna move so much, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I know about this kind of market, you know what I'm saying? So you need to know everything about this type of market, you know what I'm saying? So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm gonna lock my profit, and then after locking the profit, I'm gonna let the market keep giving more tips, because I tried to check. Let me show you, guys. I tried to check, guys, this opportunity from daily, guys. You can see that, you can see that the market is willing to move from this point right here all the way, guys, all the way to this point right here. You see, let me show you, guys, where we're willing to move to. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're willing to move all the way to this point over here. Let me show you. To this point over here. So we're willing to move all the way to this point over here. You can see here. All the way to this point right here. So, so if you need the settings, you can go check my previous one. I already give the settings, you know what I'm saying, and you can get it, you can go and grab it, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, so in the meantime, I'm gonna shift my stop loss to this point right here, which I'm gonna use these numbers. The numbers I'm gonna use is 8827.3, 8827.3, 8827.3, 8827.3. Boom. I'm gonna do the same thing to all of them. 8827.3, 27.3. Boom. And this one as well. 8827.3. Boom. And this one as well. 8827.3, 27.3. Boom. Let me show you. All right, now you can see here it is. So we already shift the stop loss from here all the way to this point right here, which means now we safe, and I say we have nothing to lose in the market. So this is how you do it, and I'm expecting to kill all the way from here all the way to this point. So this is how I flip it, guys. This is how I flip. But my team, I already give them the stop, the TP. They already take their TP now. Their TP is right here. Not yet. Their TP is right here. This is where they're gonna get out right here. But I'm gonna stay in my own risk, I'm gonna stay in my own risk. So even them, I'll tell them like, yo, if you wanna keep holding, you can keep holding. As you can see, guys, keeps moving so crazy, you know what I'm saying? So I would tell them, though, if you wanna keep holding, you can keep holding. It's up to you, but you're holding in your own risk, you know what I'm saying? So this is how it is. But you know, you have to believe it, man. You have to believe. You have to. You must have. You must be, you know. You must be positive, you know. You must be positive. Believe that it's gonna reach over here. But that's why we put it our stop loss right here. We shifted in the profit so that if it's gonna come back over here, it's gonna get out with our, you know, it's not gonna give us the loss, but we're gonna make the profit. Still, we're gonna make the profit because we already secure some profit right here. You know what I'm saying? So, guys, this is how it is. This is how it is. As you can see, even if you can use the plus action, you can see that it blocked this trend line right here. I say broke this trend line right here, which means it's going to face this point over here. It's gonna face this point over here, but I gonna get out right here. You know what I'm saying? I gonna get out right here. Looks interesting, guys, for sure. Looks good. So even if you can use the plus action trend lines, you can see that it's been forming like this. You know what I'm saying? And then after that, block this trend line right here. This one right here. And now it's going all the way to this point over here. You know what I'm saying? So, man, I hope you enjoy, man. I hope you enjoy this. You know what I'm saying? I hope you enjoy this lesson. And what I like about this strategy, guys, you can see that the strategy works with price action. You see, even the strategy against the moving average, they already break out as well. You know what I'm saying? This is where you know that it's time for the trend to keep trending. This is the time for trend to keep trending. So yo, man, this how it is. This how I did it. You know what I'm saying? I hope you enjoy this. Look at this. It's beautiful though. So, man, I'm out. This is how I did it. You know what I'm saying? And if you did learn something from this, just, you know, give that thumbs up, and let's keep making. Peace out.